Hi, I'm Mrs. Smith, and I do the library at North White Elementary. And this year we will be working on book parts, learning some vocabulary words, and also I'm in charge of the AR reading program that I will be running also. I am super excited for all the kids to be back at school. I miss them greatly, and reading rocks.
Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Bramlage. I do STEM class. STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math. And we will do lots of different projects. We'll be coming to your classrooms this year, and we'll be doing some different projects and experiments and activities and use science and math and technology. So I will see you soon. Bye.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Maddox. I'll be teaching you computers. Since I'll be coming into your classrooms, please make sure your Chromebooks are in a good working order. Can't wait to see your faces.
Hi guys, I'm Mrs. Brown, PE facilitator. Things are going to be a little different for PE this year, but we're going to be positive, we're going to have a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see you all in August.
Hi friends, this is Mrs. Phillips here, your fine arts teacher. Fine arts will consist of both doing music and art. We'll do it the same way that we did it the past years. Music in the beginning till around December, and then art after that. It'll look a little different because we'll be doing it in class too, but maybe we'll do some other fun projects too. Can't wait to see you. Bye guys.